Hi there, welcome back to our channel. We are staying at Hotel Cheyenne in Disneyland Paris. We have a room with a riverside view, and I thought I'd give you a little look around so you can have a nosy and see what the room's like, just in case you fancy staying here sometime. It's our first time staying here and we've literally just arrived and we're really excited, so I'm going to give you a show around. The other thing I'm going to do is actually do a review of the room at the end of the week and let you know what we think, as we've stayed in hotels before, praised them like crazy, and then actually we found a few niggly things, and I think it would have been nice to have been able to pass that on to people as well. So I'm going to leave this video open and finish it at the end of the week for you. I've left the TV screen on in front and there's just a big blue screen just gone up. I've just realised that wasn't so great. The room is lovely, really happy. We're in room 1925 in the Billy the Kid building, and it's opposite Starbucks. That blue screen's just appeared again. We did put a Starbucks request in because we start our mornings every day with a coffee, and we thought it'd be really handy. And actually it's quite nice because it's right next to the general store, lobby and all that kind of thing. What were you going to add?
And they can deliver it to us.
What?
The Starbucks.
No, they're not. Feels silly. Anyway, let's show you around this lovely room.
Yeah.
So as you walk in, you've got the bathroom. I don't want to start off with the loo first, so let's do everything else. So we've got like this wardrobe area, storage area. There's a Ade's thinking snacks at the top there. Hanging space, there's never enough hangers.
Actually, I'm going to put the cot there.
The cot up there, yes. Travel cot. Ade's just grabbed an extra pillow, and there's a safe and a bit of storage underneath as well, which will be handy for shoes and bags.
Another bit of storage.
Ade's thinking we've bought a plug-in cooler here, which will be handy because there's plug sockets.
Yep.
This is quite nice for drinks and other bits and pieces. I was going to say magic bands, but we don't have magic bands. We'd have put those up there. Yeah. And then this is the room. We've got 2 double beds. I know some places I've seen that they have a double bed and 2 singles. One of them looks like a sofa, which looks quite cute, but we've got the double beds here. I love the lights. The detail in the room is so cute. It's all sort of like Toy Story themed. There's a really cute
I do like the artwork behind you as well.
It's lovely, isn't it? I love the bed, white bed linen. The little throws here. The artwork, Ade's right, is so cute there. Woody with Jessie. Really cute. There's a little telephone in the middle. Plug sockets, is that for the lights? That's the centre light, that one. The little telephone. Have you seen the curtains as well?
Yeah, I know. I saw those when we
They
walked
are
past outside.
so cute. I love those. We've got, like I said, a ground floor. It's supposed to be a riverside view. I think that's the rear of Sequoia Lodge.
Well, no, I like it.
I like it too. And like Ade
They're
said as well, it's
privacy.
quite nice because you don't have people walking past your window.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Got a really cute mirror. I love that horseshoe mirror. Got a cute little seating area. We love a seating area in our room, don't we? And this lamp, you know what I said about detail, is so cute.
We've got some power sockets under there as well.
Storage. Oh, there's soft close as well. Love a good soft close drawer. And Ade noticed as well there's an UK
plugs, USBs, things like that.
big TV screen there. I wonder what kind of channels we get on. We'll let you know.
But there's a few Disney, but the rest of it's French.
It was so nice to walk in though and have the Disney welcome channel there on. Got, do you know, even things like having
hangers.
Yeah, do you know something I think we are missing? Have we got a full-length mirror anywhere? Is there one on the back of the door?
Mirror there.
That's a tiny mirror though. You want to see your full outfit sometimes? No. Oh,
There's a big
there's
mirror
so
there.
much space here.
The mirror could have gone there,
That
or
would have
even
been-
to one side.
That would have been perfect.
No.
I find that a really
Not
big
hiding
disappointment. No.
But we see that quite common in hotels, don't we?
I know. That's my first fail. That is the perfect space for a full-length mirror there.
Can I say not say fail,
Okay.
but what I've noticed, you haven't gone into the bathroom, as in you haven't filmed it yet, but you go in there and you tell me if there's something you think.
Oh, I'm intrigued now. If there nothing to hang the towels
Oh
up.
no, they're on the back of the door.
Okay, because that's a big pet hate. I always think when there's a big thing, it would be nice to have 2 sinks, but at least we've got
That's not the end of it, we've
space.
got space.
Hairdryer's a bit weird, isn't it? Nice big mirror in here.
It is nice and bright by the sink.
fake glasses, not real ones. The soap's really, really cute. That should be Mickey shaped. Okay. Oh, you said about the dark, the shower.
Dark. Now, the shower curtain hasn't been pulled across yet, but you imagine that. I mean, it's only a small thing, but it just doesn't, it seems...
I do like this though. I like this so much. That is so cute.
You got a couple of...
Shower, yeah. What have we got down here? We've got shampoo and what's that? Oh, conditioner. That is really, really cute. We've got a big deep bath, which is quite nice. How does the shower? Does it just twist around? Okay. Oh, and you can make it taller.
Oh, taller, and then it's just leaving on the taps and...
The towels. How have you touched the towels?
A little bit.
A little bit. They're not thin and crispy, aren't they?
Oh, does our room get serviced?
Yeah. Yeah, and we've got hooks there. I would like a hook to pop the towel up. Yeah. Shame about the mirror. Do like though that the room is lovely and cool, which is really, really important.
Makes a big difference.
We've just had a night in a Premier Inn, and we always find the room so warm. So that is a big plus. But I'm going to leave this video here for now. I will do a little bit of filming outside, and we'll be back for a review at the end of the week.
Right, we are just going to be ending our room review vlog. We said as we did did the room review, that we would actually just do a summary when we come to the end of our stay. It's our last night here now.
This is night 4.
This is night 4, night 4, isn't it? So things, what we liked, what we didn't like. I think there's one thing I'd like to say first of all.
Yeah.
It was in regard to the shower. I mentioned about the shower, there was no light above it, and I thought it was going to be really dim. Yeah, so just saying, the shower's perfectly fine. It was nice and light. That was great.
They're short baths.
Yeah, they're short baths. Anyone that's tall would probably struggle.
You will struggle to fit 2 people in them.
Yeah, no, I'm not putting that in there.
Why not?
No.
It's true.
No, the baths are generally on the short side, but that's not. It's just obviously the size of the room. So perhaps French people are generally shorter. So not that I'm exactly tall. One thing I'd say that I did find a bit of a negative is the TV.
I just wanted to say something that's most important about a room. The beds were really, really comfy.
Oh yeah. I was more doing the bad points first.
No, I'm doing.
Okay.
It's a room review. The beds are so comfortable.
They are really nice.
The pillows are lovely. We've got some fluffy, some firm. I can't fault the beds at all. We both slept really, really well.
We both have. I mean, we've slept longer in these beds than we have in anything. So I mean, that most actually might.
That bed has holes in the bed linen though. The bed we haven't slept in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Right, go on, talk about the TV.
TV, but just there's nothing really on, and that sounds really kind of like we shouldn't come away on holiday to watch TV. But sometimes parks close at 8. If you had a busy long day, sometimes you just want to put the TV on and watch something. There's no like online services or anything like that, so we really struggle.
You can't use your Fire Stick. We just would have liked to have watched a movie. Like now it's 8 o'clock.
That's 9 o'clock now.
Oh, is it 9 o'clock? But we just fancy a cup of tea. We've been out for a meal. We've had cocktails. We don't want to go back out. We're tired. We just fancy a cup of tea in bed and a movie. But we can't.
No, it doesn't actually seem to be anything really on. And some people would say that's not criticism, but I think it depends on what your kind of
we would have liked
things are, but
yeah, I haven't missed having an ironing board, and I thought I might. Storage has been fab.
Storage has been brilliant. Drawers here, also space under the bed for cases.
Suitcases,
definitely here.
Really good.
I've liked the fact there's been. I've not actually sat in that, but we've got like a little, should we say, kind of sofa seat.
I've sat in it. It's really nice.
At the end there, the room's been comfortable. I
have really missed a full-length mirror. I often want to see my outfits.
That's very true.
If I'm tucked in properly, especially as I'm short, I can literally see like from here in the mirror, which isn't very helpful. I would have loved a full-length mirror.
It hasn't felt stuffy in here.
No.
Which is
Temperature's
nice.
been good actually.
And having the ceiling fans really helped as well. We've had that on most nights.
The cool box, plug-in cool box has worked out really well. Brilliant, that we bought with us.
Yeah.
And the
Trying to
room's
think.
been cleaned and serviced daily.
It seems also to be the rooms have been serviced quite early as well. We've come back a couple
That's
of times in the
true, actually.
afternoon.
That might
Now,
just be luck.
It might just be luck.
Yeah.
But we've had it before in hotels. Was it a one in London where a room was being serviced and or wherever we were,
About 3 o'clock.
and it's about 3 o'clock and we'd come back and it's all come back in 15 minutes. And it's kind of like, that's just luck, so it's not a bad thing.
There is a cleaning room next door that we mentioned. It was loud when we were here in the afternoon when we arrived, but we haven't really been around, so that hasn't actually affected
The
us.
squeaky door hasn't really bothered us. We haven't heard it at all, so.
No, the staff were very loud this morning when we left, but that was 9 o'clock,
So,
so you can't really
so
complain.
in regard to the room, I'd say that, so if we wrap up.
We love
we've
the
been good.
location. Location has been perfect. We're in, is it Billy the Kid?
Yeah, Billy the Kid, I think it is, yeah.
It's opposite, literally opposite, like the lobby. Oh, sorry.
Starbucks, the bar,
The general store.
the restaurant, things like that.
And
so
it's
it
just
is a great
really
location.
quick walk to the
And there
parks.
we'll have to maybe include, if we've got a map or anything, maybe, or if anyone's interested, have a look online about where the actual places
But we
are,
did-
because
we did-
anywhere near ours is still good.
We did a walk round, to be honest, and even the furthest away isn't any further. It's
No.
2 minutes extra walk to the parks,
So,
so don't panic.
room-wise, we've been really pleased.
Yeah,
It's everything we needed.
we
and
would highly recommend this resort. Lovely atmosphere, really friendly staff, great location.
I think just love the fact of being able to wander over, get coffee, the general store.
It's a
everything
small
like that.
loop of music that plays. Dolly Parton, Kenny Rogers,
Yep.
Patsy Cline, and I think it's an hour.
Must
it
be, yeah,
goes,
we've heard it quite a lot.
You get a bit fed up of listening to the sound. I love the music, but
I think we need to stop talking.
yes,
Yes.
loved staying here. We
been
would
lovely.
highly recommend it, and we would stay again.
Yep.
But there will be other videos. We've done a resort tour that will be coming, and you've got all our vlogs coming as well.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please
Thank you.
subscribe to our channel and let us know if you've stayed here as well, or if you've stayed at any of the other resorts and what you think.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.